So this is how to fix European luxury cars not working. So if you're having the app and it's not really working for you or not opening for you, this is how to fix it. So to fix it, go to your phone settings. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on apps and notification. After that, tap on see your apps. After tapping on see your apps, try to search for the European Luxury Cars app. So in this video, I'm going to use a demo app to replace the European Luxury Cars app. So I'm going to use this demo app. So let's tap on. So as you can see, when you search for the European Luxury Cars, just tap on notifications, make sure it is still good on, and check the mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure it's also on. After that, you go back, then you check the storage and cache, make sure the cache is, you know, you have to clear the cache, then you clear the storage as it has been cleared, and also tap on the force stop, and that's it. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store, then you update the European luxury cars. After updating it, just tap on your power button for long, then you tap on restart to reboot, then you tap on OK, and that's it. It's going to be fixed perfectly for you. I hope this video has really helped you. If you really have any question, let me know in my comment section. See you in my next one. Bye.